66 million years ago, a massive asteroid slammed into Earth near the Yucatan Peninsula. This event, known as the Chicxulub impact, released energy equivalent to billions of atomic bombs. It triggered wildfires, tsunamis, and volcanic eruptions. The aftermath was intense heat, followed by darkness and global cooling. Dinosaurs and 75% of species went extinct, but what if the asteroid had missed Earth? Let's explore a world where dinosaurs never went extinct. Without the asteroid impact, dinosaurs would have continued to dominate Earth's ecosystems. The Cretaceous period, which marked the peak of dinosaur diversity, would have likely extended, with new species evolving to fill various ecological niches. The planet would have remained a vibrant, dynamic world, shaped by the presence of these magnificent creatures. Giant sauropods, like the Argentinosaurus, might have grown even larger, their long necks reaching for vegetation high above the ground. Theropods, the bipedal carnivores, would have continued to evolve, with predators like Tyrannosaurus rex potentially giving rise to even more formidable hunters. Imagine herds of Triceratops migrating across vast plains, their horns clashing in territorial disputes. Picture packs of velociraptors, their intelligence and agility honed by millions of years of evolution, stalking prey through dense forests. This world, untouched by the asteroid's devastation, would be a testament to the resilience of life and the boundless possibilities of evolution. It's a world where dinosaurs, not mammals, remain the dominant force. The extinction of the dinosaurs paved the way for the rise of mammals. With their reptilian competitors removed, mammals were able to diversify and evolve, eventually giving rise to our own species. However, in this alternate timeline, the dinosaurs' continued dominance would have severely limited the evolutionary opportunities for mammals. Mammals, which were mostly small, nocturnal creatures during the dinosaur era, would have likely remained in these ecological niches. The presence of large, intelligent dinosaurs would have created a challenging environment for mammals to evolve larger body sizes, develop more complex social structures, and exploit new ecological opportunities. Primates, the group that includes monkeys, apes, and humans, might have still emerged, but their evolution would have been significantly different. Instead of evolving into intelligent beings capable of building tools and civilizations, primates might have remained small, arboreal creatures, adapting to life in the trees to avoid competition and predation from dinosaurs. The absence of the asteroid impact, while preserving the reign of the dinosaurs, would have had profound consequences for the evolutionary trajectory of mammals, potentially altering the course of life's history on Earth. Could humans and dinosaurs coexist? In this alternate timeline, human evolution is highly unlikely. Imagine humans evolving alongside dinosaurs. Interactions would be shaped by awe, fear, and careful avoidance. Dinosaurs would pose a constant threat to human survival. Encountering a Tyrannosaurus rex would demand respect and caution. Dinosaurs would shape human culture, mythology, and technology. Section 5. A modern world with dinosaurs. Now, let's take a giant leap forward and envision a modern world where dinosaurs still roam the Earth. Imagine cities designed with dinosaur safety in mind, with sturdy barriers and early warning systems to prevent encounters with these massive creatures. Picture specially trained dino rangers responding to incidents of dinosaur incursions, using tranquilizer darts and other non-lethal methods to manage these encounters. Transportation systems would need to adapt to the presence of dinosaurs. Elevated highways and tunnels might become the norm, allowing for safe passage through areas frequented by these massive reptiles. Air travel might be preferred for long distances, minimizing the risk of encountering dinosaurs on the ground. Our relationship with dinosaurs in this modern world would be complex and multifaceted. We would marvel at their grandeur and protected reserves, study their behavior and biology, and perhaps even find ways to sustainably utilize their resources. However, the constant threat they pose to human life and infrastructure would necessitate a delicate balancing act between coexistence and control. Section 6. A final thought. The extinction of the dinosaurs, while a tragedy in its own right, paved the way for the emergence of mammals and ultimately, our own species. It serves as a stark reminder of the power of chance and contingency in shaping the course of life's history on Earth. However, exploring alternate timelines where dinosaurs never went extinct allows us to ponder the boundless possibilities of evolution and the challenges and wonders of a world shared with these magnificent creatures. It's a world that sparks our imagination, reminding us of the delicate balance of life and the importance of understanding and protecting the diversity of our planet.